The key to mastering Vim is knowing which mode you're in. So there's several different modes. Right now I'm in insert mode. That's why I have a bar cursor. There's normal mode, there's visual mode, and I think there's one more that I forgot. So all of the movements you're going to generally do in visual and in normal mode. So just move a single line of text. I'm going to do visual line to delete that, and then I'm going to bring it down here and paste it, and then indent it, and then go back to normal mode. And then well, I saw that there's actually probably more, so let's go ahead and do the same thing. Delete, come down here, paste, indent, all of section A. And then if we want to take this whole for loop, delete, paste, indent. And you can do things where like 5 down or whatever when you're moving around in visual line, but that'll get the job done.